All right, here we go, my friends. It's 2015, July 4th. Yet again, we're back, and it's the best ever. It's a freaking tank. Anybody recognize the design? Animal House. Yeah. So here we go. We got a couple turrets going on. We got some smoke flares at the top. Got Oblivion. Top it off at the end. Sparklers in the back. Some fountains in the back. Joker's Wild, which is the best fountain set ever made, which they discontinued this year, unfortunately. A couple of antennas, but it happened to be rocket launcher antennas. You can see the rockets tied down here at the bottom. They're going to go up like a fair where you hit the bell, the hammer, and bing! This year we did some electronics, so there's some electronic firing. So here's the front of the turrets. Got some ordnance on the front there. One of them's packed with some extra ordnance, which we'll experiment tonight. You'll see later. Fountains in front, of course. I got some flamethrower blooms. And the main cannon, I got a special surprise egg I packed myself. A couple of rockets. Somehow I think the cannon on the turret will be flying off tonight. We'll see if it holds on. I don't know. But what you got here? This is Crazy Fireworks Tank 2015. Up next is the show when we light it off tonight. See you then.